Boys and girls, welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender with production, aka La Güera behind the cameras. A little off today, so I think that she needs a cocktail and we're gonna work on it. So if you happen to have a really nice vodka at your house and you think that you want to have something like a Easy Screaming Spring, well, please stay tuned with us because we're gonna be doing the Grannies and Basil Smash. Please stay here with me. Let me show you how we're gonna pour this guy. Right, so you ready for your cocktail, Güera?
Yes.
Perfect. All right, you guys. So, vodka. One of the nicest spirits that we have over there that it blends with everything. And today we're gonna be using a citrus vodka. But yeah, this is not a citrus. So if you happen to come across with the Stolesnaja Citron or the Absolute Citron or the Grey Goose Citron, any kind of a citrus vodka, it is perfect. If you don't have one, not a problem. You're gonna need your fresh lemon juice, right? Okay, so just grab a grinder, zest all the peels of all the skin of one lemon into your vodka and just let it sit for a couple minutes. Then fine strain and voila, citrus vodka, right? So that being said, allow me just to show you this guy. It's super easy and very, very, very tasty. What we're gonna do is just wanna grab one of these green apples or grannies. Is Granny? Granny Smith apple. Thank you so much, production. And we're just gonna go for like a 1 quart of the apple and we're just gonna toss them in there. And we're gonna muddle it. Once we have that, we're gonna go for 2 ounces of our citrus vodka. Basil leaves, like around 4 small ones or 1 large one if you can, okay? We're gonna go for fresh lemon juice. Let's go for 3/4 of an ounce, followed by 1/2 ounce, 3/4 of an ounce of apple juice, especially if you can find the Granny Smith apple juice, that'll be perfect. And simple syrup. Let's go for 1/2 ounce. Now let's add some ice. And let's give it a shake. Poor production, she's thirsty. Oh yeah, color is perfect. Let's double the strain on this guy. And for the garnish, let's make a pretty fan with the Granny Smith apple and a little leaf of basil. Set them on top. And there you have it. The Grannies and Basil Smash. For everyone that wants to celebrate the welcome to spring. Right, production?
Yes.
Salud, everyone. Please remember, no drink and drive. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers, everyone.